15 surprising facts about overtaking driving lessons. Thescience of speed. Overtaking isn't just about accelerating. It's about understanding the physics of speed, angles, and vehicle dynamics. Mirror magic. Before overtaking, always check your mirrors for blind spots and ensure they're properly adjusted. The 2-second rule. Maintain a 2-second gap between you and the vehicle in front of you to ensure safe overtaking. The art of observation. Always scan the road ahead and be aware of potential hazards before attempting to overtake. Road markings matter. Understand the significance of road markings and how they guide safe overtaking. Overtaking zones. Not all roads are suitable for overtaking. Learn where it's safe and legal to pass other vehicles. Speed limits. Respect speed limits as they're designed to ensure safety, especially during overtaking. Predicting behavior. Anticipate the actions of other drivers and be prepared to adjust your overtaking strategy accordingly. The power of communication. Use your indicators to signal your intentions when overtaking. The importance of patience. Rushing to overtake can lead to dangerous situations. Be patient and wait for the right opportunity. Weather conditions. Consider how weather conditions like rain, fog, or snow can affect overtaking. Vehicle size matters. Larger vehicles require more time and space to overtake safely. Night overtaking. Extra caution is needed when overtaking at night due to reduced visibility. The psychology of overtaking. Understand the psychology of other drivers and how it influences their behavior on the road. The legal side. Familiarize yourself with the laws and regulations regarding overtaking in your area.